first off, two things. Thank you very much for giving us 705 subscribers. We're 225 away from reaching a 1,000 subscriber goal. After that, don't know what goal to go after, because we're starting to work on cars and everything, and some of those videos will be coming out either this week or next week. And secondly, it's about the video that I uploaded yesterday about the free car. There'll be more information on that. The reason why I took it down is because we really can't accept a free car. If someone has caught us on our Instagram and the Facebook post, we explained as to why, so we really can't accept a free car like that. But we'll make another video in the future, and we'll fully explain as to why we can't accept that kind of a free car, because that's way too much. So for now, enjoy the video. Thank you very much for understanding, and again, thank you very much for subscribing. Okay, so everyone wants to see the 58 fairing lane because I'm going to start working on it this Wednesday. Yeah, but the reason why it's sitting right here, well, I had it over there, but then I decided to bring it back because I need some room to get the 76 Roadrunner Super Coupe out of the way, because that back left tire on the axle's frozen for some reason. So Tuesday I gotta work on that and see if I can unfreeze it, because I really don't want to damage too much stuff on it because it's an original rear end. Don't know if it's a posi or not. So here's the parts car. Everyone's already attacking us online, mainly TikTok. I deleted all the nasty comments, but people, this car is the lowest load tier Galaxie. I looked this up with the VIN numbers. It's only worth about $4,200 and it's like $61, $62. Yeah, it ain't worth much, because I'm getting the entire front clip, the bumper, grill, anything and everything. Oh, that transmission actually flopped forward. Okay. Don't know if that transmission is any good, because the original owner who had this really abused the snot out of this car. So, and I want to see if this firewall will hook up to mine, because I think that's an elimination plate right there for a clutch. And if it is, then this firewall is going to go onto mine, and I'll have AC in my Q code. Don't care about horsepower or anything, but since it's going to be hauling little ones in the future, yeah, I'm going to need something to have, you know, cool air. because you know I want me and my wife's future kids to be safe and sound, because this area is known to have some blasted heat waves. Doors are shelled, don't care. There's some stuff in here, but yeah. Of course, these bucket seats were put in. Don't know what these things were originally too, but I remember this had the bench seat split. Yeah, there's some stuff in here. Like, I got excited when I found this, but I mean, it's still okay, but the chrome deal around it's kind of shot. So, and I don't know if this is like a two-piece or not, but yeah. I mean, I could bend this out and everything, but yeah. Yeah. Don't care on how much it's there or not, because ours are pretty much darn near complete. Tucker's getting the whole roof because his is absolutely shot. The guy who originally had it, when he did restore it, there's let's picture Tucker's car, which you guys will probably see in the next month. I think there's like a giant hole right here someplace. He just filled all of that in with Bondo. Yeah, hail dents. It's just way too brittle to mess with, and just too many hail dents just to mess with. His roof is just shot. So I think the lead filling is like right here, down here. I can't remember what it is on Galaxies, but it's like someplace in here. But I gotta take all that out and everything, and I think he's gonna get the posts as well. But I have to, you know, take fenders off and see where things go. But I want to take this entire front clip off as a whole. Because I used to part these out with Buck, but it's been such a long time. But if I can't part it, you know what? I'm just going to take it off piece by piece instead of a whole. But I do need to take pictures and document this and how things go on. Oh, so that's how they go. So on mine, on my 68, I had it wrong. Oh. Yeah, because on mine, the lip right there, I thought was the other way around. Goes to show how much I know about Galaxies. Well, Tucker's the Galaxie expert to a certain extent. On 60, well, some 64s, a little bit of 65, but he knows a lot of stuff about 66s because he studied them. But this car is going to get processed from front to back. Of course, I'm getting the trunk lid. I have to get one of those tack welders. You know, it does a tack and everything. I gotta send this entire thing and just kind of, you know, pull it out. Can't remember exactly what it's called. It's other than just those tack welders, because mine was stolen years ago, like the rest of my equipment, our equipment. I don't know where that came from. That's gonna get filled in anyways. That almost looks like a Scotts Bluff deal. But yeah. I'm gonna get the trunk lid. I want to get this fender. I might be getting this right here, not too sure. I was gonna save this back, you know, the skeletal structure, but as you're looking right here, yeah, there's no skeletal structure. It's all empty. So, and what I'm gonna have to do from Tucker's, I'm gonna have to make a pattern and weld it on down right there before I put this on mine. I mean, I could put it on mine and just go ahead and fix it. I mean, it's no big deal. Just do all this patchwork. But after I show this, we'll go over to mine. I'm going to Little Haven, which is now turning into Big Haven, because this is going to be our work yard on restoring these. And you know, right here, because this stupid storage unit is going to be going in the next couple years, this is going to be my future shop for making certain resto mods and selling them. And of course, this, what's left of a door piece. I was going to have this at an angle, but everything happened so fast. And one of the ramps fell off, so I didn't want to warp the frame too much of how high it is. Yeah. These seats I have to put in the trash pile and haul over. It's an automatic cart. Can I get down here? Hopefully I don't step on any stickers. Yeah, looks like there's a setup underneath here for a clutch system. All right. So it looks like this firewall is going into mine. Not sure what else is here. What's this? Oh, is that what I think? Oh, it's a brake. It's still good. Just needs a little TLC. Yeah. And this is original. We got park, reverse, neutral, drive, and low. Cruise-o-matic. So you can get a closer look in. Yeah. Again, I remember riding in this car ages ago, but the guy who had it just abused the living snot out of it. Oh, I got a turn signal. Turn signal light. That's good. Oh. Very. Oh, that flywheel's warped. That thing's no good. Yeah. Hey, look at that. I got both. Okay. So I lucked out on that. Amazing. I gotta refurbish those. Because I'm trying to debate on either live streaming when I start stripping this or not. Because it's not going to be this week, because we're going to have a heat dome all the way into Saturday. So we're trying to debate on either getting a car this coming weekend or not, because it's going to be super hot. Wait, I got turn signal there. Turn signal there. That's a standard Galaxie chrome grille. I'll have to straighten the living snot out of it too. I'm just happy I got a front bumper. Back bumpers, they cross over from 65 and 66. So, but yeah, again, looking a little bit more. Oh, I never noticed that. I'll have to see if I can fix that. Is that the same way on the other side? I don't think so. Ooh, no, it's not. Nope, it is not. I know windows, front windows are interchangeable between 65 and 66. Yeah. So let's take a small little trip over to here. Here's the 68 frame that I'm getting ready to work on for my 68 Galaxie XL Fastback. Put it out right here because I got to block it up, and because I got to start sanding it and then primer and paint, because I think the front end off of that will fit onto this. At least I'm hoping. Then I'll borrow the rear end off of my 66 and put it on this, that way I can roll it around. But yeah, so yeah, I'm actually starting to do some work out here. And again, thank you very much for giving me giving us the view. Well, my two pickups. Well, they're ours, but still. But thanks to you guys, this shorts video on those two are actually blowing up a little. And we're actually having second thoughts of turning this into a rat rod, because we're thinking this is something else, so it's going to be modernized, restored up to a certain point. And of course, go around the post here. Yeah, I'm going to start working on the 68 here. Not too much. So, and here's my Q code. Don't know what this fender is too. It's a little rough. This left off. Yeah, so this is gonna get the firewall. Oh, I'll be darned, look at that. Yeah, that blue rod there. That other one has the illumination plate. Yeah, so yeah, I was right. That's the illumination plate. That's the clutch right there. So this is going to get the firewall. Now let's turn this into AC. No big deal. Yeah. Again, Heather, it's the 4-speed. Originally thought it was a 7-liter, but got lied to. Again, apologies about all that stuff. Of course, that was when I was starting to pay attention to cars instead of, you know, just focusing on auto body. So, of course, this side, I gotta make the pattern over there for the Galaxie 500. I don't know why it's filled in here. Yeah. Of course, like I said, getting the trunk lid, getting that fender. It's pretty simple stuff to do. I just gotta get some of these things positioned and organized. I'm pretty sure I could straighten this fender to a certain extent, but I don't know yet. Yeah, because I've got, you know, banged up right there. Excuse me. Yeah. Just a slight warp right here. Just gotta pop it up. So yeah. Pretty much going to go here by the gas tank if I can. If not, over here. Could always take this chrome piece off and just slap the other one on. So yeah, that's pretty much everything in a nutshell. This will remain a two-tone. That's that bronze reddish stuff. I can't remember what it's called now. It's one of my favorite colors. You know what? Yeah, I'll just leave it two-tone, but I'll probably change that top color maybe to a darker color. I don't know yet, to be honest. So anywho, that's everything in a nutshell. So things are going to start happening. So I'll end this video there, so that way I could get some stuff picked up and organized for the parts car. So I got to pull it back and then pull it forward a little, so that way it's in the way of the fence if we ever do start building that. Sorry for the wind. It was calm earlier. So we have a Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Please follow us on there. Please help us reach 1,000 subscribers by year's end. A lot of stuff's finally going to be happening. Still trying to debate to live stream me parting this 66 out or not. Not sure. I'll probably just document little by little. Because again, won't be this week. Might be next week or sometime in September. Early to mid-September, because we're going to have that heat dome coming in. My gosh, because it's going to be over 100 in the next like 5 to 6 days straight. So see what happens. So Aaron and Half Tucker, we wish you all to do. So y'all have a go now. Take care and stay safe. See you later.